Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to mention all friends in Facebook comments, and all you have to do is to launch your Facebook application. Then from there, you're going to choose a group that you would like to go and mention new people. Like, let's say, decide to tap on this group and decide to mention some few people. So another thing that I should remind you guys is we should remember that we must be the owner of the group that we would like to mention everyone that we follow, everyone that is in that group. But if you're not, you're just going to be able to mention only the highlight, which is some friends might receive this notification. But in order for us to be able to access the art is by tapping on this, and then you're going to tap on this. And as you can see, we've been able to get the art. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.